Your favorite website is online 24/7. Netflix streams movies while you sleep. Google answers your weird questions at 3 a.m. And somehow, your WhatsApp messages don't vanish into the digital void. The secret? Servers. Or as the internet likes to call them, someone else's computer. But that's only half the story. A server is a computer designed to provide services, data, or resources to other computers over a network. Those other computers are called clients. Your phone, client. Your laptop, client. Your smartphone that's somehow connected to the internet, also a client. The server sits there patiently waiting for requests, kind of like a waiter. Except instead of bringing you food, it brings you cat videos, emails, memes, and occasionally existential dread. Here's how it works. Let's say you open YouTube. Your browser sends a request asking, "Hey YouTube, can I watch this video?" The request travels across the internet until it reaches YouTube servers. The server processes the request, finds the video, and sends the data back. All of this happens in a fraction of a second. Fast enough that you never stop to think about the billions of computers having a conversation behind the scenes. Now imagine if YouTube was running from a single laptop. 1 million people click a video at the same time. The laptop immediately transforms into a space heater. That's why modern companies use entire buildings filled with servers. These buildings are called data centers. Inside them are thousands of specialized computers working together to handle millions of requests every second. And not all servers do the same job. Different problems require different types of servers. A web server hosts websites. When you visit a web page, a web server delivers the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, and other files needed to display it. Examples include Apache and Nginx. An application server runs the actual logic behind an app. Things like processing logins, calculating recommendations, or deciding whether your password is strong enough. Spoiler alert, it isn't. A database server stores information, its accounts, messages, videos, customer records, basically all the stuff companies really hope they don't accidentally leak. Examples include MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB. A file server stores and shares files across a network. Think company documents, backups, or your co-workers mysteriously named folder called Final V7 really final. A mail server handles email, receiving, storing, and delivering messages across the internet. Without mail servers, your inbox will be remarkably empty. A DNS server acts like the internet's phone book. When you type google.com, DNS servers translate that name into an IP address that computers can understand. Because computers aren't particularly good at remembering names. They're more into numbers. A game server manages multiplayer games, tracking player positions, scores, physics calculations, and determining who definitely wasn't cheating. Well, according to them. Finally, there are cloud servers. These are virtual servers running inside massive cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. Instead of buying your own server hardware, you rent computing power whenever you need it. It's like Uber, but for computers. So what's a server? It's simply a computer whose main job is serving other computers. Every website you visit, every email you send, every video you stream, every cloud app you use, somewhere, a server is working hard to make it happen. And unlike your gaming PC, it's probably doing the actual work.